In 2018, our primary school entered a team into Pi Wars. The project proved to be hugely inspirational for the children and has led to several more STEM-based activities in school. In 2019, we embarked on a Mars Explorer themed project, another robotics-based activity. It was a huge undertaking and involved 4 classes across 2 year groups, years 4 and 5. The project proved to be an event that lasted nearly 2 terms. In teams of 4, the children's task was to build a Mars Explorer capable of navigating the Martian environment. This would involve completing 2 challenges. Initially, this was going to involve driving over a simulated Martian environment. However, as the project progressed, the initial proposed challenges were adapted and involved completing the Martian maze and crossing the Chasm of Doom. The children were given a limited bill of materials and shown a pre-built example. However, they were given complete freedom on design and build specification. This freedom led to some truly inspiring artistic and engineering creativity. Some of the designs offered engineering challenges and advanced DT requirements far exceeding that normally covered in a primary school. The electronics provided were crumble boards for Year 4 and microbits for Year 5, along with standard low-cost motors and wheels. To tackle the challenges, the children would have to pre-program their explorers. However, as this was, for most of the children, the first time they had touched on physical computing, the first few lessons covered basic coding environment orientation and virtual coding. Later lessons involved physical computing, covering wiring and programming to control the motors. As you can imagine, with this sort of open project, some teams progressed faster than others, so keeping it all together was difficult. But as the children were so focused, they were happy to spend some of their spare time catching up. The competition took place in the school hall, and time-wise was only a slightly extended lesson. In the build-up to this, all teams had opportunities to test on the actual challenges in class. However, not all the teams were ready to do so, and had to rely on any spare time during the actual competition lesson, really testing their teamwork. Nothing like a bit of pressure. The project lasted a term and a half, and the engagement and resilience of the children over this extended period of time was hugely rewarding and a testament to how much they enjoyed it. It is planned to repeat it again this year, however with some slight changes based on the evaluation of the previous event. Maybe some sand and a Martian next time. From a learning point of view, this project proved hugely successful. It was hopefully a memorable event for the children, not quite Pi Wars, but I do hope it has inspired them to explore for themselves. Who knows, some of them may actually end up on Mars.